Well guys, welcome back to another Scrapping Irish video, and on this one it's just a little tear down video. I'm going to tear down this desk phone to see if there's anything worth recovering for gold recovery, any materials inside that would be worth it. So I'm not going to hopefully take too long on this video. I can see just a few screws and stuff like that need to be taken out. So we're going to get straight into it, tear down. So if you haven't already hit the like guys, please do. I really appreciate it, and just share it out if you want. Feel free to share it out. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so I think that's all the screws that's in it. So we'll have a go at popping this off, and we'll see if there's anything worthwhile inside this phone. So this may be one of the quickest videos I've ever done, or it may not be, depending on how these screws come out. So we may have missed something. No, I see all the screws are out on that side, so it's just a matter of prying it out, hopefully that we haven't missed a screw somewhere. Maybe this frame here is covering some screws. So it's like it that this pops off somehow, so probably some screws under that. No screws there, so maybe underneath here. So we'll take off this first, this little cover. So we'll see if there's anything much in here for gold recovery. So we have the first bit off. So again, under here we have some screws. So we'll just take it off and have a look at this board and see if it's worth anything for gold recovery. Is it a looking fairly low grade board, just looking at it? Okay, so a bit of plastic, nothing much. The ribbon wire may possibly be silver contacts. Again, I could test that with a bit of bleach, but you'd see that in the previous video, how to test it to see if it is silver. So I'll put it aside and that'll be tested later on. Oh, so we've got some nice little gold connectors I see straight away. So we'll just remove this glass if I can, this LCD screen. If we can get in underneath it. Okay, so that's just the LCD screen. Again, if you're watching my lives, we were on about this on the last live, are they worth holding on to? But for recovery of other precious materials, so I had to hold on to them, and hopefully down the road in the future they may be worth something. So we can see here on this board we have some gold connectors, or gold flashed little pieces on it. So again, that can be put into to remove them, same as you would on your mobile phone. So again, if you haven't checked out them videos where I've done the mobile phones and how to remove that, and how to take off this green solder mask, check out some of them videos, guys. Okay, so we'll put that aside, we'll have a look at it at the end, we'll get a total up at the end. Now I'm just having a look to see if there's any other screws somewhere there. I don't see any screws. So, and all the screws seem to be taken out of here, take it out here. So again, we'll get the screwdriver and we'll try and pry this open. So that was a nice little find at the start. I wasn't expecting that. So again, just try and open these up where the connectors are and try and work our way around. So still very tight. I feel it springing against it, but there's probably still some more clips along here. So we'll try and, again, like you do the Ian Matthews method and just bang it open with a hammer, but for this video I don't think I'll go down that road. Let's see if we can just pry it open with a screwdriver. Some sort of rubber connector. It's this side over here that seems to be doing the most holding on. It's where this connector is here that seems to be causing the issue. So we'll try and pry it from this side maybe. Maybe a hidden screw somewhere, but I cannot find it unless it's in under this tab here. But I don't. Okay, there may be something here. No. So we might just have to break this open. So we'll get a chisel. These are the struggles, guys. There we go. So there was obviously a screw and it was coming through from the far side. So I don't actually know how that was held on. So what we can see here straight away, we have a very big processor, which is nice to find. So there should be every one of them wires going through there. Usually will be a gold bond wire going across and down on them, so that's good to find. So hopefully in the future when we incinerate them chips you'll get to see them gold bond wires. Some nice big MLCCs on this board. Straight away on this side, I don't know what the other side is going to look like, but it's not too bad. It's actually a better board than I thought would be on it. I have a lot of these desk phones to do, so I got them from from a person who was clearing out in offices, and they gave me them phones. They were just clearing them out. They weren't working. They were all broken phones or missing bits or whatever. So again, I could have tried selling them maybe on eBay and made more money, but I decided to make a video. I think I may have made a video similar to this before, but I'm not 100% sure. But just for the new subscribers, rather than having to go all the way through all my old videos to try and find it, I decided to do a new one. Okay, so again, just some plastic. That's disappointing that they're not gold. I was hoping they'd be gold. They're not, and they're not. Well, that's a bit disappointing. Again, we have some speaker. So we get a little bit of cable, cabling on a speaker. Again, you may want to try and sell the speakers. Someone might buy them for some project. So that's just a bit of plastic. Put that aside. We get a closer look here. So again, we have a microphone. So just remove the mic. Bit of cabling on it. We get a closer look at the board. So IC chips, flat pack chips, whatever way you want to call them. So again, they should contain gold bonding wires. We have some nice big MLCCs. So if they are the good type, we'll have some platinum metals in there, and some gold flash pins, usually in the connectors in here. Again, we'll have it here again in this connector. That's about it really that I can see. Some more little sort of like MLCCs, but they're not really actually. They're not MLCCs. Forget about that. That's it, guys. Really, that's about it. I'm disappointed them contacts there weren't gold. Again, I'll probably clean off the board more and see if there's any gold flashing in under them, but I doubt it. I'd say it's just a copper. See if we can scratch it off. See if it's a gold or is it a copper. Copper. So we've got some copper just underneath. So it's a copper board. Doesn't have any gold flashing between the solder mask and the copper underneath. It's just copper. So that's kind of it, guys, for the video. So it's going to be a short and sweet video for this week. Don't forget to join me, guys, on my lives on a Monday night if you want to talk scrap or just talk any stuff in general. Usually we start off with scrap, but we'll end up talking about anything. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you think it's something you're into. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos that I've done some different type videos, where I've gone lately just doing some travel sort of videos around Ireland. So if that's something you might want to see, some of the scenery of Ireland. So again, we'll just remove this flat pack while I'm at it. It's a nice big chunky one. So there we have it, removed, fairly straightforward, and eventually that'll be incinerated and we'll get all the gold bonding wires out of that, hopefully. So guys, that's it from this device. So we've got a little bit of gold flashing, main gold bonding wires inside the IC chips, and the little connectors down here that will contain some gold flash wires, which we can put in the acid and try and remove the gold plating from them, or the gold flashing from them, and hopefully get a bit more gold. Again, there's a few, is there any MLCCs on the back of that? No, it's just little resistors. No MLCCs. So that's it, guys, for this video. Short and sweet. So guys, until the next one, keep safe and keep on looking for that gold. See you on the next one, guys.